Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable dark mode in TradingView. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in TradingView, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Enabling dark mode in TradingView offers several benefits that cater to both practical and personal preferences of traders and investors. Because dark mode uses dark backgrounds with light text and elements, which can significantly reduce eye strains. Now, this is my personal preferences because during extended periods of chart analysis and market monitoring, I prefer to have a dark mode here in TradingView. For us to be able to do that, all we're going to do is go to products and go to the super charts. What will happen is you would be forwarded to another page wherein we have a light theme background. Okay. Now, the magic option that you're going to do is once you are on the active screen, is simply right click, hover to the color theme, and voila, just click on dark mode. Now, a darker interface can help reduce distractions and maintain focus on the essential elements of the chart. By minimizing bright colors and unnecessary visual clutter, dark mode creates a more immersive and concentrated trading environment. Now, the thing is, you also have an option here when you right click and hover to the settings. Now, many users prefer the aesthetics of dark mode due to its modern look and feel. You can customize the workspace by going to the symbol right here. You can choose different colors like this one. You can choose the bordered something like this one. So there's a lot that you can choose the wick. After that, you can go to the status line, and of course you can simply change the colors of the symbol right here. For example, we're going to choose yellow instead. Right here, you see the changes effectively. You see, it's automatically changing in the active screen of your dashboard. Now, for mobile users, enabling dark mode can help conserve battery life as dark pixels require less power compared to bright ones on devices with OLED or AMOLED screens. Once you're happy with it, all you're gonna do is click on Save As, and basically that's how you enable dark mode here in TradingView. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.